Got a 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLC300. We're going to reset the service monitors today. So in order to start, we're going to push the start button once. Let everything boot up. If you have messages displayed, just use the return button to clear them. We're going to hold the phone button and the OK button at the same time for a few seconds until this screen shows up. We're going to scroll down to Assist Plus, hit OK, then hit the ignition button one more time, and if a screen pops up like that, again, just hit the return button. We're going to go full service, and we're going to confirm service and hit yes to service performed. We can go ahead and confirm that if you've performed all the services. Now the light is reset and you are good to go. You can just cycle back out, turn the vehicle back off, and when you start it, the service messages are now gone. Thanks for watching.